Today let's talk about impact of metabolic syndrome on clinical profile and prognosis in patients with acute ST elevation myocardial infarction, a cross-sectional study. Metabolic syndrome has gained attention as a newly discovered risk factor for coronary artery disease. Studies have demonstrated that individuals with metabolic syndrome have a higher risk for coronary artery disease, and the risk is higher in females compared to males. Patients with metabolic syndrome have a higher incidence of ST elevation myocardial infarction, making it a significant risk factor that has to be well treated for successful secondary prevention. The study's objective is to determine the frequency of metabolic syndrome in patients with acute ST elevation myocardial infarction according to the new obesity-centric IDF definition and to compare the clinical outcomes of acute ST elevation myocardial infarction patients with and without metabolic syndrome. A total of 132 consecutive patients with acute ST elevation myocardial infarction were analyzed, and 100 patients were included. Metabolic syndrome was identified using criteria based on the International Diabetes Federation 2005. The frequency of metabolic syndrome in patients with ST elevation myocardial infarction was 46%. The frequency was greater in females 53.2% than in males 43.2%. Patients who had metabolic syndrome had poor clinical outcomes when compared to patients without metabolic syndrome, including mortality. Mortality due to ST elevation myocardial infarction in patients with metabolic syndrome was 15.2%, whereas in patients without metabolic syndrome was just 2%. In addition to being a significant risk factor for cardiovascular disease, metabolic syndrome can also be a strong predictor of the severity and immediate prognosis of the condition.